Well, hello guys and gals. Good to see you all back. I have been shooting a little bit more with my Ricoh GR3 lately, and I've made another film recipe. I'm going to call this one Ethereal Film 200. I think it's a good summer film. It's got those summer vibes going on, and but I think it might actually be good in the winter time as well. I'm interested to try that out, but got to wait a couple of months for that. Okay, so Ethereal Film 200. It uses the inbuilt profile bleach bypass as kind of the foundation. So here's a bunch of sample photos, and then at the end of the video I'll tell you where and how you can get this recipe for free.
See you there, your feathers on the ground. Your eyes are heavy with the weight of the world. What's in a life you never could unfurl? Even if you've never flown before, you can take a chance and try once more. Don't let your worries weigh you down, down, down. You can still take flight, although you're earthbound.
Well, so there you go. I hope you liked the recipe. Give me your feedback. Let me know if there's anything that you would tweak, maybe more contrast, more saturation, anything. I'd be interested in feedback. But if you want the recipe for free, you can get it on my website. There's a link right down in the description, and the recipe is listed on the article on the website. And if you don't know how to input a recipe into your GR3 or GR3X, I have a video for that, and I'll put it a link somewhere, up here in the corner. Also, maybe you're shooting with cameras other than the Ricoh GR3. I've started releasing some free presets on the website as well, and I will put a link down in the description to the article where you can get the first preset that I released for free, and hopefully there'll be some more of those coming out in the future. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you have a great and fantastic day. Have fun with your photography, and I'll see you guys soon.